How to change Facebook location setting. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can change location setting on Facebook. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Facebook application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, navigate to top right corner and tap on the profile icon with the three-line icon. Once you're here, head towards the settings. So tap on the settings icon at the top right. On the settings and privacy, you have to scroll down and head towards your activity section. There, tap on device permissions. Here, navigate towards location and then on the next to that, tap on see info button. Once you're here, scroll down a bit and then there is a button that says update settings. Tap on it. Then tap on open device settings. Tap on permissions. If you have not allowed the location permissions for the Facebook, tap on location and make sure to allow the permission. So once you have allowed the permission, now you can go back. Then you have to head back to your profile page. From here, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Once you're here, just below your profile, there is an edit profile button. Tap on it. Here, scroll down a bit. Now you can add your location. Tap on current city. Here, tap on add current city. Head towards the search bar at the top and then type in your current settings or your current location. If you want to edit your audience, there is a drop down right here. Now from here you can select your audience as well. If you want to sit within yourself, select only me or select the option that you want. Once done, tap on save button and with that your location will be changed. So that's the way to change Facebook location settings, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.